You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you another deep secret in bakery business. Now, this is one aspect of bakery business that no one will be ready to share with you. And I'm bringing it to you free of charge. And so you should pay attention, take up your pen and take notes because it's going to help you. It's going to change your bakery business forever. If you pay close attention to what I'm going to share with you. Now, what makes people reject certain loaves of bread and decide to go for this type of loaf? Two types of breads will be in the market. Some persons will decide to go for this one. You see, more persons buying this one. Now, the secret is not because that person add more butter, more sugar, and more other, ingredients that really make the bread rich. The difference is the uniqueness of its flavor, the mouth feel. Now, one of the things that will enable you to make more profit in your bakery journey is your recipe. Now, apart from the normal preservative, sugar, salt, yeast, and other ingredients, there are unique things that makes bread outstanding, the taste of bread to be unique. And those are the things that make customers to come back. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you will sit down at home and formulate your own unique recipe, your own flavors, and have good result. Now, let's look at this list. From number one, you can see milk flavor. Now, if you are into commercial bread baking, you don't need to buy milk and pour in the flour, start mixing. You will not make profit because the cost of milk is high. Instead of buying milk, go for milk flavor. I tell you the truth. If you buy milk flavor, buy EDC, it will help you, and nobody will know. Nobody, apart from fellow bakers, nobody will know that you did not actually add milk to that bread. So milk flavor is one of the things that gives unique taste to your bread. Number two is banana flavor. There are some bread, if you're eating it, it will be as if you are eating banana. The flavor, the mouthfeel will be like banana. When you take the first bite, you may not feel it, but as you chew it and you are about to swallow it, you have that mouthfeel of banana in the bread, and that is very good. So many love it. That's this satisfaction that customers derive. The next one is orange flavor, vanilla flavor. This one is popular. This one, almost every baker is using it. No problem. I'll show you a secret. Now, you also have cinnamon that you people use it. Those that produce drinks always make use of this cinnamon. I'm going to show you how you can use it in your bakery. Now, we also have chocolate flavor. We have mayonnaise. You can actually use mayonnaise in baking. We can also use dates in baking. Dates also is a sweetener, and so it can reduce the cost of sugar in your bakery. Now, let's look at nutmeg. So many bakers also use this. Mango flavor. Now, these two here, the first one here is dry onions. We have dry onions here, and then wine. Now, let's go. Now, if you want your bread to be unique in a way that it cannot be easily copied, because if you're using just milk flavor and vanilla, a good baker, once the baker put that bread in his mouth, every good baker can easily tell you that the formulation is just milk flavor and vanilla, and then the normal sugar, yeast, and other things. But if you want to have that unique taste that the customers also cannot really tell what and what is the combination, then you need to go for more of these ones. That it needs to combine more. It does not mean that you will pack them and put it, just little drops. The combination, when these three or four come together, they will give you a different taste that never exists. And that way your bread will be outstanding. So you can actually combine the milk flavor, the vanilla, and the cinnamon, and you have something unique. You can actually combine the milk flavor, the vanilla, and the dry onions. I'm not talking about going to the market to buy onions and slice and use it. There is this dry processed onions that you can actually use in baking. Now, you can also use your banana flavor and combine it with mayonnaise. combine it with mayonnaise and use. You can also use your nutmeg and then milk flavor and vanilla. So just now, the easiest way to have good result is to actually buy maybe one custard of flour, and then buy these recipes, buy these flavors. When you buy these flavors, take time to bake. Just mix one cup with each of the combination you wish to use. You can do 1 2 3 as one flavor. 1 2 3, number them as samples scientifically, just the way you carry out experiment in the lab. Label them in that order. Now when you label them in that order and you bake, you have to take time, each one after, share it to others and let them give you the feedback. Let customers, let people, your neighbors give you feedback. When any of the samples or any of the flavor that the people love most, you just pick that one and start as your own unique flavor, and your bread will be outstanding. So this is how you see every big bakery out there might have done this homework and then come up with this unique flavor. There are those that this is not all. You can actually add strawberry, ginger, garlic, all those other spices. I tell you the truth, this is how we take time to have, to generate or formulate our own unique taste in every bakery. You get, you buy and you find out that the taste of this one is different from this one. The taste of this bread is different. What is the problem? It's just combinations. These flavors, a combination of these flavors will give you something unique. There is no way you will use the 12 that I list here, but I just list these ones. There are those ones that you cannot even, that are not even here. So this is how you don't just go to the market, buy flour, buy sugar, yeast, and then you start bakery business and you think that your bread will be outstanding. No, carry out this homework first. When you carry out this homework, you will come up with a unique, outstanding bread that when you come to sell, when you take it to the market, there will be no rejection. Whoever that buy will come back for it. That is one of the best easy way to scale in bakery business. When your bread tastes unique, when the taste of your bread is outstanding, I tell you, your profit is sure. If you are the owner and you employ a baker, your baker must not know your formulation. The day your baker discover your formulation is the day you start losing your bread, your business, because that your baker can easily sell your formula to an enemy, to a competitor. So you must, by all means, you shouldn't mix your recipe. Your premix should not be prepared in the presence of bakers or other staffs. It's a business secret. It should be for you alone. Prepare it in another room and then let the baker just come and pick the prepared premix and pour it in the mixer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more bakery business secrets in this channel for free. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.